Onion peel is very beneficial for the hair. It aids rapid hair growth and it stops the hair from thinning because it has sulfur agents in it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your onion peel for rapid hair growth. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment. So you transfer your cleanly rinsed onion peel into a pot and add a cup of water. Then you place it on fire and let it boil for 5 minutes. After boiling, you sieve out the juice from the peel and let it cool before applying to the hair. All I'm doing here is just using a spray bottle to apply the onion juice on the hair scalp and on the hair. I'm going to apply it generously. I'm going to apply it generously on the scalp and on the hair body. I'm also going to massage it into the hair. I'm going to massage it well into the scalp and the hair. I'm going to use my fingertips to massage it well, as you can see in this video. After massaging, I'm just going to cover the hair up with a shower cap and let the juice sit in for 15 minutes before washing it out.
Say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
After washing it out, I'm just going to apply some leave-in conditioner, hair butter. I'll also comb out the hair. I'll detangle the hair with a white tooth comb. Then I'm going to put the hair in a protective style. So if you want a routine or a recipe for hair growth, or a recipe to stop your hair from thinning, to stop your hair from falling out, you can give this a try, and you have to be consistent with it for you to get the results you want. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, and please drop a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.